Without Ashburton Chefs Academy, I don't think I ever would have started my blog. And they gave me that knowledge, the inspiration, the ability, and everything about food to have the confidence. And I think that's so important that you love what you do, and that started at Ashburton Chefs Academy. I couldn't cut an onion when I first started, and now I have all of these skills, and I know I can go into so many areas of food, and I have that knowledge and power behind me and the ability, which I think is incredible. I think at first, when I started my blog, it was just my friends and family looking at it, giving me a bit of support. And suddenly I started realizing people across the world were making a recipe. And it was just this random caramel cheesecake recipe I uploaded, but I could see Australia looking at it, America, all sorts of countries. And I think it was the moment where I realized, hang on a minute, this could be something to be, a bit more serious about. And yeah. My second book, Jane's Patisserie Celebrate, came out this year, and it's an accumulation of all those lovely, warming, inviting recipes to celebrate every moment. So you can bake every moment special, whether it's Easter, Christmas, Halloween, and I'm there to inspire people to create those bakes that bring everybody together and you just want to celebrate with. I think without Ashburton Chefs Academy, I wouldn't be doing what I am today. They gave me the inspiration, the knowledge, the ability to do everything I do, and I literally couldn't thank them enough. It's the best thing I've ever done.